welcome once again to the Original Source TV, the home of legit and original content on YouTube. Yes, thank you for staying, for sharing, for liking, for commenting. Yes, thank you for being with us. Thank you for helping us to garner 2,000 plus subscribers. Yes, thank you for joining. If you are part of this family and you are here now, thank you for everything you're doing. Thank you for supporting, for everything you're doing. Yes, all I want to say is I really appreciate and I want you to help keep pushing me to the top. Alright, yes, we are here to give you nothing but the best, only legit and original content out here. Nothing, no fakes allowed out here, family. Alright, yes, and stay with us. Amazing and great content are coming your way. Thank you for being a part of this family. All I want to say is you are not gonna regret being a part of this family, because we are really growing into a bigger and better one. Alright, yes, so today we are back again on your screens to unbox a new sneaker, yes, which I got from Sneaker Trans Worldwide. Yes, Sneaker Trans Worldwide. If you want any legit or original sneaker, just contact them on Instagram. Yes, Instagram Sneaker Trans Worldwide. Yes, Sneaker Trans Worldwide. Alright, they will get you all your legit and original sneakers worldwide. Yes, delivery worldwide. Alright, yes. All I want to say is just stay with me, just keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting. Alright, yes, so we already unboxed the Adidas Rapid Code 2. Yes, the Adidas Rapid Code 2 which dropped in 2024. Alright, so today we are back again to unbox the Puma Pack Lifestyle Street. Yes, the Puma Pack Lifestyle Street, which also dropped on September 11, 2024. Yes, September 11, 2024. Barely 7 months ago. Yes, barely 7 months ago. So this sneaker is really new in the system, and I want you to go grab yours. I want you to go grab yours, go get yours, drip on it, fashion high on it, and let everybody give you the 5-star. Alright, yes, this sneaker is really hard. Alright, yes, so before we even unbox the sneaker, I want us to get a brief history about Puma. Alright, yes, a brief history about Puma, then we get into the unboxing. Alright, yes, so Puma is a German multinational corporation which designs and manufactures athletic and casual footwear. Alright, yes, so this is a casual footwear which we are about to unbox. Alright, yes, so Puma is a German multinational corporation. Yes, so their headquarters is in Germany. They operate in Germany. They manufacture and everything in Germany. Alright, yes, so this original sneaker and accessories, headquartered in Herzogenaurach, Bavaria, Germany. Puma is the third largest sportswear manufacturer in the world. Yes, so after Adidas, Nike, Puma follows suit in the sportswear manufacturing. Yes, so they are the third largest manufacturer of sportswear. Yes, so after Nike and Adidas, Puma follows. Alright, yes, so the company was founded in 1948 by Rudolf Dassler. Yes, so Rudolf Dassler founded Puma. Yes, so get this name right, we'll get there. Alright, Rudolf Dassler from Puma. He was born in 1898 and died in 1974. Yes, 1974. Sorry, family. So in 1924, Rudolf and his brother Adolf Dassler. Alright, family, note this name. Adolf Dassler had jointly formed the company Gebruder Dassler Shoe Fabric. Alright, yes, that's a German word. Gebruder Dassler Shoe Fabric. Alright, so in English it means Dassler Brothers Shoe Factory. Alright, so the relationship between the two brothers deteriorated until they agreed to split in 1948, forming two separate entities, Adidas and Puma. Yes, so the Adolf Dassler formed Adidas. And Rudolf Dassler formed Puma. Alright. Following the split, Rudolf originally registered the newly established company as Ruder. Yes, so he also used his initials, Rudolf Dassler. Yes, Rudolf Dassler. Yes, so he picked the Ru and Da and made it Ruder. Alright, and Adolf Dassler also picked the Adidas. Yes, Adidas. Dassler. Yes, Adidas. Alright, yes, so he also picked his initials. Alright. Following derived from Rudolf Dassler, as Adidas was also based on Dassler, but later changed the name to Puma. Alright, yes, so Puma's earliest logo consisted of a square and a base jumping through a D. which was registered along with the company's name. In 1948, Puma's shoe and clothing designs featured the Puma logo and the distinctive form script, which was introduced in 1958. Alright, yeah, so in 1958, it was changed from the beast jumping through a D to this logo. Yes, to this logo. Alright, familiar. So this is a brief history about Puma before we even get into the sneaker. Alright, so we will be wasting my time. Let's unbox it. Alright, so this is the Puma Pack Lifestyle Street. The Puma Pack Lifestyle Street. Yes, which dropped in September 11, 2024. Alright, familiar. So this is it. Yes, this is it. Alright, so this is the Puma Pack Lifestyle Street. Yes, the Puma Pack Lifestyle Street. This I got from Sneaker Trans Worldwide. Yes, you can also copy us and flex on it. Alright, yes, so we'll be wasting my time. Let's get into it. Alright, yes, so as you can see, we have the Puma inscription out here. Yes, the Puma inscription out here. It is out here. Yes, alright. It also has the Puma logo out here. Yes, the Puma logo out here. When you buy sneaker, I've told you, check the nitty-gritties to see that the sneaker is legit and original. Yes, as you can see, the Puma logo can be found out here. Yes, can you see? And the Puma inscription is also out here. Yes, so and it has the Puma inscription also out here. All right, yes, it has the Puma also out here. Yes, and this a leather. Yes, this a leather side, the leather side. All right, and this side is the suede side. Yes, this is a suede side. All right, yes, so this is a suede. Yes, and this leather. This side is leather. All right, yes, all these sides are leather. Yes, these sides are all leather. This is the suede side. This also suede. All right, this leather. Yes, this leather. All right, yes, so this is it. All right, so I told you, if you buy any sneaker, just press this side. Yes, just press this side. If it makes you fake, all right, as you can see, even with my two hands, it's still standing. All right, yes, it's still standing. Very legit. All right, yes, very legit. And I can tell you, very legit from Sneaker Trans Worldwide. Yes, I want you to go text them on Instagram. All right, yes, so as you can see, it has this the shoe has the wristband code where you can scan to check the originality. All right, yes, the scan code. Yes, so let me even get it to you. All right, yes, so as you can see, yes, so we are already searching, so you can see it's really legit. All right, yes, so we are in there. Yes, Puma. Yes, you can see the Puma logo. Yes, so if you want any details, yes, you can check it. All right, yes, everything is out there. Yes, so you can check. Yes, so family, yes, I want you to go grab yours. All right, yes, go grab yours. It has all the information out here where you can check for the originality. Yes, the originality, all the information are out here. Yes, all the information are out here where you can check for the originality. All right, yes, so today we came to your screens to unbox the Puma Pack Lifestyle Street. Yes, the Puma Pack Lifestyle Street from Sneaker Trans Worldwide. Yes, from Sneaker Trans Worldwide. I want you to go get yours, go grab yours now, so that you can also flex in it. It's going for 100 euros. Yes, 100 euros. Very affordable. Right? Very affordable. 100 euros. You can get yours in all sizes, in different colorways. Yes, in different colorways. Green and white, blue and white, yellow, black, every color you want. Just contact Sneaker Trans Worldwide on Instagram. They'll get it to you worldwide. Alright, from here. So we'll be back again on the screens another time. Stay with us, keep being with us, keep sharing, subscribe, like, commenting. Yes, until you see again is the original Source TV. Bye.